Arferol. Bendigedig. Anhygoel achos is just very eventful.
Oh, we are immensely proud to host the festival. It's the iconic Welsh festival. Everyone that I've spoken to, and I live in Neath, Talbot, are so excited for this to come to our area and knows about it. And I know so many people that are looking to visit and participate in events and activities and the competition. So yeah, everyone just wants to be a part of it. And as Neath Talbot Council, we are ecstatic to have it on our home turf.
Mae'r iaith Gymraeg yn yr ardal yma yn enwedig yr ysgolion a'r cymunedau ar draws gysylltiedig Talbot. Mae yna cymaint o ysgolion Gymraeg, ysgol gynradd, ac am y tro cyntaf mae yna ail ysgol uwchradd, ysgol Gymraeg Brodyr. So mae'r iaith yn tyfu yn yr ardal yma, a trwy polisïau cysylltiedig Talbot o'r cyngor, mae fe'n fraint fod y cyngor yn gallu cynnal yr Eisteddfod yma eleni mwyn dod â plant a'i teulu a'r cymunedau at ei gilydd i gwerthfawrogi y iaith sydd yn dod â ni da'n gilydd.
So we're hoping as a destination development team that people that are coming to visit the Urdd will have a taste of what Neath Talbot really is about. We are a small town but a beautiful town. We have coast, 3 miles of sandy beach, and we have the mountains as the backdrop, which is a perfect backdrop. So we just encourage people to not only come to Margam Park, which is a beautiful destination in itself, but to explore the wider areas of Neath Talbot, the dramatic heart of Wales.